Input and output. Input function can be used to read data directly from the keyboard. But every input by default will be treated as string data type only. We can use plus and asterisk in string data type also. For string plus will be used for concatenation. So, all the arguments should be string only. Let us look at some examples. Let us input a value using the keyboard and store it in the variable a. Type of a will be string. Let us try with a Boolean value. Even for this type is str. Same is the case with the float data type. When it is entered using keyboard, it will be stored as str only. If we want to perform calculations, then we should explicitly convert them into integers. Example. We will input 3 values and store it in the variables x, y, z. Using typecasting, we will convert each of this into integer. Now, we can perform any calculation using the 3 variables. In this case, we have performed addition and it works fine. In the above example, we entered the value using keyboard and after that it was converted to integer data type using typecasting. Instead, we can input data in integer data type directly. For example, before the input, we have to add int. Let us look at an example where we enter data using different data types and perform typecasting while entering data using keyboard. Role no is an integer data type. Name is a string data type. So no typecasting is required. Class is an integer data type. Weight is a float data type. Result is a Boolean data type. We will enter the values for each of the above variables. Now, let us print all the results stored in the variables.